Hello, Carm speaking.
Carm, it's me. Hello? You still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
So what's been happening, sis? How's the family?
Family's good.
How about you? How you been?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's it, you've been good.
I mean, it's been so long since you and I talked, and that's all you have? I mean, what's it been? A year or so?
3 years.
What were we doing last time we talked? Must have been...
Your college graduation, right?
Yeah, and the night you left and Dad.
Jesus, Colin, it was an accident. Dad's fault for always picking a fight with me, you know that.
Angelo, why are you calling me?
I wanted to ask you something.
Well, what is it?
Do you remember the money tin we had when we was kids? I...
Looked like the building was next to our bed.
The Commonwealth Building money tin.
That's the one. Shit, you do remember, huh?
Yeah, how could I forget? That promise we made.
Every year, we put our birthday money in there. And when we was older, we were
Gonna buy
Buy a Mustang.
the money.
staying and drive us to the sunset. Away from all our problems.
It was a nice dream. A nice dream.
Anyway, so, that got me thinking about...
The old house and when we was kids. And I was thinking about where that money tin ended up since...
Pretty sure you had it.
What?
At least I think you had it. Do you still have it?
Because, I was just wondering if I could...
Get it back. Do you remember where it is?
You want to know where the money tin is?
I mean, yeah. That's... if you remember where it is.
Goodbye, Angelo. Don't ever call me again.
Looking from a window above, it's like a story of love. Can you hear me? Came back only yesterday. I'm moving farther away. Want you near me? All I needed was to love you.